Dynamic world of finance, companies are making significant moves on the stock market. Today, we dive into the latest dividend declarations and market trends. Let's start with ICICI Securities Limited, a powerhouse offering retail broking, institutional broking, and wealth management services. The company has declared a final dividend of ₹9.25 per share, a whopping 185% payout compared to the face value of ₹5. Mark your calendars, the ex-dividend date is set for August 22, 2023. Next up, we have Karnataka Bank Limited. With diverse operating segments, including treasury, wholesale banking, and retail banking. The company has announced a final dividend of ₹5 per share, making it a solid 50% payout against the face value of ₹10. The ex-dividend date coincides with August 22, 2023. Moving forward, we have Panama Petrochem Limited, a stalwart in manufacturing and exporting petroleum specialty products. The company has shared some good news: a final dividend of ₹5 per share, a remarkable 250% payout compared to the face value of ₹2. Circle the date, August 22, 2023, for the ex-dividend period. Let's talk Graphite with Hague Limited, a key player in graphite electrode manufacturing. Brace yourself for a final dividend of ₹42.50 per share, an astounding 425% payout against the face value of ₹10. Keep an eye on August 24, 2023, the ex-dividend date. Monte Carlo Fashions Limited enters the scene, a prominent name in clothing accessories and textile garments. Announcing a final dividend of ₹20 per share, a remarkable 200% payout against the face value of ₹10. Don't forget, the ex-dividend date is August 24, 2023. Switching gears, let's explore Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation Limited. With a wide array of businesses, including fertilizer and bulk chemicals. The company is distributing a final dividend of ₹10 per share, a solid 100% payout against the face value of ₹10. Mark August 25, 2023, in your calendars for the ex-dividend date. Now, let's move to Gulf Oil Lubricants India Limited, a major player in the manufacturing, trading, and marketing of greases and lubricants. Brace yourself for an impressive final dividend of ₹25 per share, an astonishing 1,250% payout compared to the face value of ₹2. Make sure to note August 25, 2023, for the ex-dividend date. These companies are shaping the market with their dividend declarations and strategic moves. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the dynamic landscape of finance.